Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of bamboo. Whether you're a nature lover, a culinary explorer, or someone seeking innovative ways to enhance your well-being, you're in for a treat. Bamboo isn't just a symbol of strength, it's a symbol of nourishment for both our bodies and the planet. Grab your notebooks and join us as we delve into the wonders of bamboo, uncovering its incredible benefits and learning how it contributes to our well-being. First and foremost, bamboo is a star player in the sustainability game. It grows incredibly fast without the need for excessive water, pesticides, or fertilizers. Choosing bamboo products and foods means contributing to a greener earth. Bamboo shoots, often used in Asian cuisines, are the edible parts of the bamboo plant. Incorporating them into your meals not only adds flavor, but also supports sustainable farming practices. What's more, bamboo shoots aren't just eco-friendly, they're also nutrient-packed. They are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. From vitamins A, B, and E to essential minerals like potassium and manganese, bamboo is a nutrient-packed addition to your meals. Wait, there is more. The dietary fiber in bamboo shoots can be your digestive hero. Fiber supports regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and keeps your gut happy and healthy. If you've ever experienced the discomfort of constipation, bamboo shoots can be a natural remedy. Their fiber content helps add bulk to your stool and eases bowel movements. Whether you're prone to digestive discomfort or simply want to maintain a happy tummy, bamboo shoots can contribute to a comfortable and balanced digestive experience. Did you know? Bamboo contains phytosterols, plant compounds that have been linked to lower cholesterol levels. A diet rich in phytosterols can contribute to heart health and reduce the risk of heart disease. Let's talk antioxidants, health enthusiasts. Bamboo shoots are a source of antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants can contribute to overall wellness and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But the benefits don't stop there. Bamboo shoots are loaded with vitamins and minerals that play a crucial role in supporting your immune system. Vitamins like vitamin C and minerals like zinc are known for their immune-boosting properties. Vitamin C is a superstar when it comes to immune health. It's an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage and supports the production of immune-boosting white blood cells. Zinc is another essential nutrient for immune function. It's involved in numerous cellular processes, including those that contribute to a robust immune response. Looking to manage your weight? Bamboo shoots are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a satisfying addition to your meals. They can help you feel full and curb those between-meal cravings. Foodies, this one's for you. Bamboo is not only nutritious, but also versatile in the kitchen. From stir-fries to salads and even smoothies, bamboo shoots can add a unique crunch and flavor to your dishes. So whether you're an environmental advocate, a nutrition enthusiast, or simply looking to spice up your meals, bamboo can be your delicious gateway to a healthier and more diverse diet. Remember that bamboo isn't just a plant, it's a treasure trove of wellness waiting to be embraced. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.